here the goal is different. It's not checkmate, it's not capturing the pinned piece, but it's capturing the piece that is that pinned piece is protecting. The goal is to capture the piece that the pinned piece was is protecting. Sorry.
So that captured the piece that the pinned piece was protecting.
Yes. I think you just need to find the best move and don't focus on the problem.
Okay.
What is the pinned piece, Anajan, here in this position?
The pinned piece here is the rook.
The rook? Are you sure?
Or the wait, for the whites or for the blacks?
Oh, for black. It's white's move.
Okay, so the pinned piece I would say is either the pawn on G7 or the rook.
But rook is not pinned yet because you don't have piece attacking the rook now, right?
Yeah, so
okay, so it's the pawn because bishop is attacking the king if not this pawn. See?
Right, so I have to want to attack that pawn, but the thing is like if I attack that pawn, then your king can eat it, then I haven't accomplished anything.
That's true. Then let's think maybe we can use this position in a different way. Do not capture pinned piece, but pinned piece has another function. It's protecting another piece, and now we cannot protect it. You see, this pawn is protecting the knight if knight will be attacked, right?
Right.
Oh, but now it cannot protect it anymore because
I see. Okay, so if I eat the pawn, then I'm attacking. Okay, so I go here.
Oh, no. You see, if you attack pawn, king will capture it. King will capture your bishop. But if you attack the knight, this pawn.
Yes. But pawn can't move because it's yes. Because
it sounds a bit long and it sounds a bit complicated, like to capture a piece that is protected by the pinned piece or something. But in practice,
I see what you but okay, now makes sense now. Let's do it the next one. Now it makes sense. Okay,
let's go to the next one. So it's easy, just faster and easier to than to
so for example, the horse is the pinned piece, and then the bishop is protecting it. So I can go ahead move.
No. Bishop is protecting the knight, but we should find piece that is protected by the knight.
It's the piece that's protected by the knight.
Yes.
You talking about the queen?
Yes, knight is protecting the queen. So if you capture queen with queen, knight should protect it, right? But now knight is pinned by... Right. Yes. Okay, next one I'm gonna solve. Okay, so this one, what should we do?
Well, it's easy. You take the queen, you capture the other queen.
Okay, great. Let's go to the next one. Black's move.
Okay,
then let's see
so
what
now
white piece is pinned.
Okay, so the white can eat this bishop, whatever this is, this here.
That's right. Yep. It's much easier in practice.
Yes.
Words.
That's why visual is always so much better than just listening.
Sure.
Listening in gives you like 20% and then 80% is visual for me anyway.
Visual,
okay,
and then you practice it by yourself. So.
Right. So the pinned piece is the bishop, and if I can have this other bishop eat the knight here.
Perfect. And then
we can have
yes. Okay, good.
Okay.
All right, so here it's white's move.
Okay. Let's see. So if I Oh yeah, I can do this. I can come from here to here.
Okay, perfect. Another one. Actually, you don't do any mistake now.
Okay, so white's move again.
Yep.
White's move, and what I want to do
First, find the pinned piece.
The pinned piece is the horse.
The horse? No, because you don't have like attacking piece diagonally.
Ah, well, you do. Pinned piece is the rook.
The rook.
No, rook is attacking the. No, rook is attacking the pawn.
Yeah, so pinned piece is the pawn. Okay. What is the function of the pawn here? It's protect.
Function of the pawn is to protect the king.
And also two other pawns, right?
Yes, yes. So if a horse eats the pawn, we'll do like this. You see here.
And it will attack the king.
Right.
Okay, perfect. Another move. Let's just solve several.
Yeah, we're gonna just solve it. So let's see. The pinned piece is probably the pawn again. This guy here, like this.
Yep. Exactly. Let's go ahead. White's move.
White's move. If we attack the pawn with my queen.
Yes. Bishop is gonna capture.
Oh, the bishop will capture. Oh. Oh, no. Okay, so the other way around. We will attack with the horse.
Excellent.
I should call it knight. I keep saying horse, but knight.
Okay. Yeah, actually, you can call it in both ways. Knight, horse is also correct. It's okay.
Okay, so now.
One thing just. So I can suggest our followers to stop the videos while it's like set it up puzzle and try to find solution on their own.
Go ahead.
You can learn by watching video, but it will be much easier and much more useful if you will participate in solving the puzzle. So you will
exactly
not only watch but also practice. This is the most important part.
So again, when I look at this, first thing I want to do is figure out the pinned piece, and then the pinned piece could be the rook also is a pinned piece, right?
Rook. You mean black rook, right?
The black rook. So if I go like this, I go like, yes.
You see, rook cannot be pinned in this way because right after you will move queen here, your queen will be captured by the rook.
Yeah, but I'm not going to move there. I'm going to move it to here. Look, to the there.
Oh, okay. But then rook can escape. It's not pinned. It will be attacked, but to be pinned, it should be pinned to another piece, right? Let's see. Here, knight is pinned to the king by the bishop. You see, so they are just by this.
They're already on the same line. What you're saying?
Yes,
they're already on the same line. Okay.
But here, if you attack the rook, after the rook in this attacking line, there is nothing. It's just the edge.
I see. But then the rook will eat it. Okay.
Yes.
So that's not it. Okay, then I see what we can do. We can eat this pawn in here.
Wait.
This one here.
You see, pawn. Yes, you are right. That pawn is the pinned piece. But the goal is not capturing the pawn, because after you will capture your opponent's queen, or rook are going to capture your queen.
Right, that's right. Okay, so then hold on. Then we could attack the what it's protecting. So for example, we could attack with this rook. We could attack this here.
Okay. And what we're gonna do next?
Then
you sacrifice your rook to capture what?
And then we're gonna eat this.
Of course. Good.